Okay, hey guys, I'm at Walmart right now getting some supplies because I think I'm gonna make me a birthday outfit. I bought some other stuff already, but I kind of want to make a dress. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna take y'all on that journey. This purple is for a different project. I think I'm gonna record that for y'all too. But yeah, I'm making me a black dress, and I might make me some jewelry. We'll see how I'm feeling. But I think a cute little necklace set would be cute. But yeah. So that's what this video is going to be about. If you're new here, welcome. I'm honored. If you're returning, you know what's up already. So yeah, let's get into it. Hi, Reggie. Okay, I'm back at home. Got my yarn and stuff ready. I'm watching a tutorial. I'm gonna link it below because I don't feel like this is giving tutorial already. But I did my measurements. There's 4 measurements you need. You need bust size, so around this area, the smallest part of your hips, and then the widest part of your hips, including your butt, and then measure from the under your bust to the top of your belly button. And she said that's so your butt cracks not out because the back of the dress is open. Yeah. So right now I'm about to start. I haven't started yet. So I'm gonna come back when I got some progress made. And yeah. So I'm back. Ignore my TV because I don't feel like turning it off. But this is gonna be like the top of the dress. It's a triangle at the top of the dress. You gotta make 2 of these. Mine are gonna be about 8 inches wide because you're supposed to do half of your bust. So 8 and 8, 16. My bust is 32. So yeah. But yeah. Please go watch our tutorial. But finish watching this video because it's not that long. So finish watching this because I want to show y'all how it look on me. So keep watching. Hey guys, back with an update. So I worked on this while I was at work because yeah, y'all seen that. This is how far I've gotten. Now I'm gonna come back when like most of the bottom is made, because then yeah, because it's gonna get real repetitive. So I'm gonna just keep doing this triple crochet hook, whatever, stitch for like just like that long. Like I said before, I linked Shorty's video in the description that I'm following, because it's not a tutorial. This is just my thought process throughout this, making this dress. Okay, I'll see y'all in a little bit. I might check in before that, but we'll see. Okay. Again, it's looking like it's gonna fit. I'm scared though, because I didn't have no measurement. I was just kind of guessing it based off what she was saying. So we'll see. It's a little bit stretchy. Okay, I'm sorry for my room. Oh, you can't see it for real, but it's dirty. Okay, this is where I'm at. Y'all can't see the bottom. I'm ashy, so. But yeah, this is where I'm at. It's looking good, to be honest. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna make it like, now y'all might see my dirty room. Okay, you see where it's at right now? I wanna make it go to like my kneecap. So, I still got a little bit further to go. But right now, it's making me look. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done, because I'm almost done. So I'm gonna just see y'all when I'm all done. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. I finished my dress. I did shorter tie-ups. Hers like crisscrosses in the back. I didn't want that, so I just did like a halter top tie-up. But yeah, and I also made mine longer than hers. But I'm gonna get cute and I'm gonna try it on. It might be a few days later, so if my hair look different, that's why.
1 week later.